today I am testing out how to clean your oven racks. I saw this online and wanted to give it a go. All you're going to need is a trash bag, some dishwasher tabs, and your really nasty oven racks. So let's get going. You're going to take your oven racks and your dishwasher tab and put them in your garbage bag, and then we're going to head over to the bathroom and fill these up in our bathtub with screeching hot water to make sure that our dishwasher tabs dissolve all the way. And it's really simple. After this, all you have to do once you've thrown all those things and filled your bag up with screaming hot water is leave it in your bathtub and let it soak for as long as you want. I left mine overnight for optimal testing here. Making sure that you get those racks in the bag is really important and tied up really well just so none of the water spills out. I left mine standing up like this. The next morning I went ahead and started scrubbing it off. Honestly, I ran into some issues. I would really rather just put this all in the bathtub as is and the dishwasher tabs and let it soak. Just skip the bag all in all. It did an okay job, but I definitely won't be using this again. Thank you guys so much for watching.